In Finland, our main product line is waterworks and normal plumbing because we don't have so much of oil and gas. Our houses are built in 70s, 60s, 80s, and they are gonna be the next work that what we have to do. No other company who's making these kind of tools what we can sell to waterworks, so I know that is our main focus in the future. With reed, we are the only ones who import that to Finland, so we have a great opportunity with the reed tools. We're trying to tell them about the quality. The quality is much better than anybody else. I know that our sales in reed will increase in next 12 months, and that is the reason why we're here, to grow the business in Finland with reed tools.